warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from the 5th group. I want to present a biology subject about human digestive system. My name is Berliana Fitria Munajat.
My name is Halimatus Islamia.
My name is Surawati.
Chapter 1 introduces the theoretical foundation. The digestive tract is a channel that is formed from outside and prepares into being absorbed by the body. With the part of the digestive process or mass in the section and mixing with an enzyme and liquid substance starting from the mouth or oris. The anus from the digestive tract will be formed digestive system consisting of digestive organ we are incompetent in forming digestive tract. Digestive system of food in humans has a very important role in the body. Digestive system in series of organ tissues play a role in digestive food. The human digestive system plays an important role in digestive food in drawing into a source of energy, as well as various types of nutrients needed by the body. During the digestive tract will undergoes a digestive process, but machinery and chemically, mechanical digestion itself is the process of changing from legs or curves formed in the same way or thinner forms with the help of thread and thinner in the mouth. While chemical digestion is the process of converting food substance from complex or into simpler from passing the help of digestive enzyme. Energy, BME, and BMR in your and our how to mental self-help is associated with the principle in the equation of nutrients.
Next. Okay, chapter 3. Discussion. The digestive system is a series of organisms that have a function to disperse. The main function of the system is to produce food, water, and exercise for the body of nutrients that is digested so it is ready to be absorbed. 1. Oris on oral cavity. Mouth is the beginning of the digestive. The oral cavity is lined by several parts which is above in the jawbone scaling part to make a regular metamorphosis of the cheeks and below by the lower jaw. There are two types of digestion is this oral cavity. Mouth cavity flexion and 2. Aqueous esophagus. Esophagus is the one who connects to small piece is located behind the gills which is spreading from the flex until the entrance to the cardiac and the stomach. 3. Dorsal stomach. Section of soft stomach. Extremating for digesting and softened by basic stomach and stomach sac. The function of stomach is cleared of gums of pressing the space with food and to their food so that is easy to digest. 4. Pancreas. The function of the pancreas is very important in the digestive system and metabolism basic by able to produce hormones. The pancreas also has a main function and organ death. Okay, next.
Okay, the function of the process is very important in the digestive system and metabolism. Besides being able to produce hormones, the process also has a main function as an organ that produces enzyme to break down and digest food in the stomach. The process in an organ lies behind the abdominal cavity with a length of about 20 until 20 organs that are related in health can be disrupted. These enzymes have their requisite function, namely lipase enzyme to break down fats, protease enzyme including dermosine and trophin to digest protein into amino acid, amylase enzyme to break down carbohydrate into blood sugar of growth. 5. Intestinal mineral. Stomach, listed or intestinal mineral is part of the process intestinal food excretion system. Is the gas canal where the digestion process and absorption of the gas result consistent of small in this layer. 6. Industrial manure. The large external or industrial manure lies or lies in the center from the outside. Lenders, membranes, branches, muscle layer, and standing muscle layer, connection tissue, many bacteria contact in the large instance function the ligation, several ingredients, and help absorb nutrients. This bacterium is also important the form normal function of the intestine. Absorb water from food material occur residence phases.
Okay, I think enough. Thanks for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jangan